Well, yes, today is the World Environment Day and we'll be focusing on the theme of ESG investing. Now, what is an ESG investing? ESG investing is nothing but your economic, social, and the governance standards which are there for investing. Now, looking ahead, how is the ESG theme actually panning out for India? Now, do remember it is still under the nascent stage. And over the last 2 years itself, institutional money has been actually flowing much more into the non-ESG aspect of it. But do remember there are certain positive offshoots also, and by 2025 it's expected that there would be roughly $1 trillion of investments via this ESG theme. Also do remember there are certain concerns in the medium term as well as short term, which includes accessibility, comprehensibility, as well as comparability. Now new laws will be coming in, a new deployment will happen, but the question remains is how is ESG disclosures there, especially for the Nifty 50 companies. Now interesting data comes from Bloomberg, and over here we have the top 5 companies from the Nifty 50 index having the highest ESG disclosure score, and these names includes Adani Ports, Tech Mahindra, M&M, DRL, as well as Infosys. Now we spoke about the listed space, but how is the mutual fund space there when it comes to ESG investing? And totally 12 ESG funds are there currently. Their AUM size as per the March numbers is coming up to be more than 10,000 odd crore rupees, but still it is less than 16% on a year-on-year basis. Now apart from the AUM itself, SEBI has been promoting ESG funds and they are expecting to launch another 5 funds as they have stated to the mutual fund houses. Now they have also mandated certain schemes where you can actually invest 65% of their AUM in the listed entities which are having the BRSR code which is undertaken. Now we spoke about stocks, we spoke about mutual funds, but how's the action coming in the startup space? That is something which you'll be watching out for. And over here there are a lot of unicorns there in the EV space. It might become unicorns in the coming months. Now you look at the overall funding which has happened for the year 2022, it's roughly $1,890 million in the electric vehicle, or you could say the entire environmental tech space, and this also includes climate tech companies. For the year 2023 itself, we are looking at around $739 million of fundings already there in the environmental space. Now there are important companies also which would be in focus. They include Serentica Renewables, Ampere, as well as TI Mobility. So these companies have actually raised some very strong funding rounds in FY23 ranging between $200 to $400 million. So there will be some expectations coming in the EV space as a lot of unicorns are in the queue.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.